Well, hello there. Okay, so we're gonna make a hazelnut coffee colada in the Ninja. This is so that all you hazelnut lovers out there, this is so that you can stop giving Dunkin' Donuts your money. You don't have to give them $4, $5, $6 a day. I'm gonna show you how to make this for pennies. Okay. Okay, so let's do it, shall we? Great. I hope your day is going well. If you like this video, which I know you will, give it a thumbs up, would you please? Share the video and subscribe, alright? Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, so I start out with 7 cubes of ice, okay? 6 or 7 is fine. That's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes of ice, okay? Okay, now I make my coffee in advance and I put it in the refrigerator. And the reason why you want to do that, because the trick to coladas and iced coffee is they let the coffee sit so that it ages a little bit, okay? So if you make it right away and then you try to make the colada, the problem is it gets watered down and it doesn't taste the same. And I know you want it to taste like Dunkin' Donuts, right? Okay, so let me show you this. There's some lines on the container here. So I usually go up to number 400. There's a mark here that says 400. I stop right there with the coffee, okay? Alright, and the reason why you want to do that is because the ice will expand and you want to also get all your other ingredients in there. Okay, I'm at 400. Let me show you that. 400's right here. Okay. Okay. So now the other thing you gotta add is instant coffee. I know you're saying, well, we already have coffee. The problem is once this ice melts, it waters down the coffee. So by adding some instant coffee, it strengthens it back up. Okay? So we're gonna add about a tablespoon of that. Let me show you that. Okay, give or take. Tablespoon of instant coffee. Any kind you want. I'm using Folgers, but any kind will do. Okay? Okay. So now here's our hazelnut cream. You say, oh, where can I get this at? If you can't get it at your grocery store, you can get it at Starbucks. They sell this for $10. Okay? So we're going to add the hazelnut. Mine is 0 calories and 0 sugar. That means there's some sugar substitute in there. Okay? Okay, so we're just going to count 3 slowly. Ready? Watch how slow I'm pouring it. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So once you get the hang of it, you can determine how much or little that you want to add in yours. And if you don't like hazelnut, they have vanilla, they have all different flavors, okay? Alright. Now the cream is very important. I use French vanilla cream, but maybe you like hazelnut cream. I like French vanilla, because normally I drink French vanilla coladas, okay? So we're just going to add the cream to it. Now let's see where we're at now with our numbers. Okay, so we're up to the 500 right now. You see that? Okay, so here's a max line right here. You don't want to go past that max line because it needs room to mix and grow, okay? Because the ice is going to melt and expand, etc. So we're going to start and go halfway to that max line. We're not going to go up to the max line. Okay, let me put that back so you can see. Okay, so I'm halfway to that max line. Okay, but I'm not at the max line. Do you see that? I'm right here, and here's the max line. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to put our top on. And we're going to mix it. No, I don't think my top is on all the way. Okay. I didn't hear the little click. Okay, in the middle it says boost. That's what you want to start on. I hit boost and then start, and I let this number go to number 20. Okay, where it says 0 now, that's going to go to 20. And then I stop it. Start and stop is the same button, the top button on the left. And then I hit frozen drink and I let it go to 10 and it's done. Okay, so let me forewarn you, the Ninja is loud. Okay, I hit the boost and start. Okay, sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, and now I'm going to hit frozen drink and let it go to the number 10, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now I'm going to get a container to pour that in. 1 second. So I have the container. This is Dunkin' Donuts container. This costs 26 cents. Okay, so I just get like $2 worth of these at one time, and then I have them. Okay? Okay, so now let's pour it in. Okay. Okay. All right. Pour it in. And the straw too comes from Dunkin' Donuts. So I get the container, the lid, and the straw from Dunkin' Donuts. All comes with the cup. Okay. And let me let you see me drink it. Oh wow. I actually like hazelnut. I didn't think I would like it, but I really like it. It tastes good. I don't know why I didn't think I didn't like it. I like nuts. Okay, so the word of the day is stop wasting your money at Dunkin' Donuts. You can do this. That was what, 5 minutes? You can make this, take it on out the door with you, go to work, school, wherever you're going, and you have it, okay? You need another one in the evening? Look how much money you're going to save. So the word of the day is save some money. Don't give it to Dunkin' Donuts. Make your own colada, okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video so others will know how to make it. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Thank you. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.